This is NAB Show Live.
I'm Ryan Salazar, and today we're talking about artificial intelligence with Jonathan Morgan, CEO of Object Matrix. How you doing, sir?
Hi, I'm very good, thank you.
So you're all the way in Sweden. That's pretty cool. We're all the way in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. So what do you see as the most interesting use cases for AI?
Well, I'm actually over here in Sweden at a AWS event where we're talking about AI subjects. With Object Matrix, we're a hybrid cloud platform that can actually take a media library and share that with the cloud in order to collect AI information. And we also are able to collect information, machine learning on premises as well, combine that together and provide a really good search experience for our customers.
So with more and more people moving to the cloud, do you need an on-premise storage at this point?
You know, cloud is amazing, and there are many workflows that really belong in the cloud. There are also workflows that belong on-prem, and there is no one single answer. You know, I had a very interesting discussion with the British Film Institute over in the UK, and I asked them, how much storage do you have? And I thought they were going to say they have a number of petabytes of storage. They actually came back and said, we have acres of storage. I was like, an acre of storage or many acres of storage? What do you mean? They literally have reel upon reel of film in their warehouse that they need to be able to analyze and keep. They're not about to move that into the cloud anytime soon. There are very, very many companies which are in a very similar situation where they want to have an on-prem solution. They have their workers working on-prem, they have their analysis done on-prem, and they're not about to move into the cloud platform today. You know, maybe it's a part of the workflow tomorrow. And then there are other people who really belong in the cloud, need to be in the cloud and work in the cloud. So it's courses. We're just providing what our customers are telling us they really need in this area.
Yeah, preserving footage and film is a big deal, and so digitization of that stuff is a big deal. You know, it takes lots of warehouses of storage to do that. So the industry is looking to move away from legacy storage. What role do you see object storage playing in that?
Well, when you talk about legacy storage, I think one of the things that we would point to as legacy storage is something like LTO, or any kind of tape or offline media. One of the challenges with offline media is if you need to be able to do a search, if you need to do an analysis of that. You know, a typical example is maybe someone famous has died, unfortunately, recently, and then you need to be able to find all the footage of that person very quickly from the video that you have. You can't really do that if your video is offline. You have to be able to analyze things that are online. So what you can do with object storage actually is not only bring your legacy data online, but you can also share those objects with the objects in the cloud on your cloud storage. Everything joins up, the metadata, the data, it moves seamlessly backwards and forwards and opens up for our customers to be able to see and use that data quickly compared to legacy systems.
Last question, totally off topic. At nighttime after the show, what's your favorite place to hang out? Maybe a restaurant or a cool club?
Oh, well, one of my favorite restaurants in Las Vegas is the Firefly. It's a tapas restaurant with a bit of Tex-Mex about it. Sometimes they have music there. Sometimes they have dancing there. So if I want to get away from the show and have a completely different atmosphere, I love to go to Firefly.
Excellent. Firefly was my first place at the original location right next door 9 years ago when I went to NAB show for the first time. All right, Jonathan Morgan, CEO of Object Matrix. We'll see you in South Lower 5821. That's SL 5821 at the 2019 NAB show.